For generations, hair loss has been treated as something people just have to accept, a natural part of aging, a genetic destiny, something to hide, shave, or live with. But for Black people, hair loss has always been more complicated than that. Our hair is cultural, it's personal, it carries history, identity, and confidence in ways science has ignored for decades. In 2026, that is finally beginning to change. Today, we're talking about the new age of hair loss treatment, bioengineered hair follicles, and why this technology could completely reshape the future of Black hair restoration. 1. The problem with current hair loss solutions. Let's start with the hard truth. Most hair loss treatments available today were never designed for Black hair. Traditional hair transplants work by moving follicles from the back of the scalp to thinning areas. This method assumes hair follicles grow straight and behave predictably. Black hair follicles do not. As a result, many Black patients experience excessive scarring, lower density results, unnatural hairlines, damage to donor areas, permanent follicle loss. In many clinics, Black patients are quietly told they are not ideal candidates, when in reality, the technology itself is the problem. Hair loss medications can slow thinning, but they cannot revive dead follicles, and they don't address texture, curl pattern, or cultural styling needs. For decades, Black people have been forced to choose between no solution or compromised results. 2. Why Black hair needs different solutions. Black hair is not just visually different, it is structurally different. The follicle grows in a curved spiral shape beneath the scalp. That curl pattern begins under the skin, not on the surface. This affects growth direction, implant angles, density planning long-term follicle survival. When transplants ignore this biology, the results can be painful, damaging, and permanent. On top of that, Black communities experience hair loss patterns that are often overlooked, including traction alopecia from tight styles, central centrifugal cicatricial alopecia, or CCCA, hair loss caused by inflammation and scarring. These conditions destroy follicles entirely. Once the follicle is gone, no cream or pill can bring it back. What Black hair needs isn't better cosmetics, it needs new follicles. 3. What bioengineered hair follicles actually are. Bioengineered hair follicles represent a fundamental shift in how hair loss is treated. Instead of relocating existing hair, scientists grow brand new follicles in a lab using a person's own cells. Here's the key idea. Doctors extract hair-related cells from the scalp, often dermal papilla cells, which play a crucial role in hair growth. These cells are multiplied and guided to form entirely new follicles. These follicles are living, genetically matched, capable of natural growth cycles. This means hair restoration is no longer limited by how much donor hair you have. Companies like Stimson Therapeutics and De Novo are leading this research, focusing on true regeneration rather than cosmetic workarounds. This is not hair cloning strands. It is creating new, functional follicles. 4. How this technology works. First, a small sample of hair-related cells is taken from the patient's scalp. Those cells are placed into a controlled lab environment where scientists encourage them to multiply and organize into follicle-like structures. Modern technology plays a critical role here. Stem cell. Science helps regenerate full follicles. Bioscaffolding helps shape natural curl formation. Once mature, these follicles are implanted into the scalp using minimally invasive techniques. Because the follicles are created from the patient's own cells, the risk of rejection is extremely low. And most importantly for Black people, the follicle can grow with its natural curl pattern, density, and direction intact. This is something traditional transplants could never guarantee. 5. Why this is a game changer for Black people. This technology changes everything. For the first time, hair restoration is being built around Black hair biology, not forcing Black hair to adapt to outdated systems. Bioengineered follicles could restore natural hairlines without thinning, support afros, curls, waves, and locks, help reverse traction, alopecia, treat scarring hair loss more effectively, serve both men and women equally. Beyond science, this matters culturally. Hair loss has long carried shame and silence in Black communities. Many people suffer quietly because options feel unsafe or inaccessible. This technology offers something powerful: choice. Choice to restore hair naturally. Choice to keep your texture. Choice without compromise.